Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra and let me share with you how to fix camera crashing. So at first, I highly recommend to try to reset camera preferences. Of course, in the situation when you can still open the camera and do something in the settings. So let me show you how to do that, and then we will move to another tips. So let's open the camera app, and now scroll your finger from the top to the center to open settings. Here, go to General. Scroll all the way down and find Other Settings and tap on Restore Default Settings and confirm it by tapping on OK, because sometimes camera crashing is caused by our personalization. So this is one of the things which we can do. Another thing which you can do, especially in the case when you really cannot open the camera, is to tap on it and hold it, and then tap on this info icon. We will be transferred to this camera section where we can manage the app itself. So what I highly recommend to do is to tap on Storage. And here we've got this cache section. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. So what I highly recommend to do is to tap on Clear Data and tap on Clear Cache. I do not recommend tapping on Clear All Data unless you wish to make your camera completely brand new. However, sometimes this option might help. So consider that. But after trying all of the tips, I will show you in this video. So tap on Clear Cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. If you will decide to clear all data, simply tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, here we've got the information what this operation will do. So use it as a completely last resort. All right, another thing which I highly recommend to do is to tap on Force Stop. If you wish, you can try to force restart your device, or simply power it off and power it on again after removing cache, because sometimes cache might interfere. So probably after resetting your device, it will work perfectly fine again. If not, try to remove cache again and tap on Force Stop and confirm it by tapping on OK, because sometimes the camera will work in the background even though you cannot see it in the recents or in the running apps, which are right here, and it might cause some problems. So remember, Force Stop, tap on OK. And now you can try to open the app. Moreover, I highly recommend checking for the system updates from time to time, because sometimes the app might have some problems working on the older system, especially if it was updated before. All right, so you can check the updates by going to the settings, go to About Phone and tapping on the Xiaomi HyperOS option, and your device will check for the updates. Here we've got the information that there are no updates pending. Here we've got also System Apps Updater, and you can check whether you've got the update for the camera. And if you've got one, I really highly recommend to download it, because sometimes a new update will fix different issues which occur in this specific app. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.